We can use different models to describe enzyme action. In biology, we often use lock and key theory to describe enzyme action. However, the specification says that you should be able to use other models to explain enzyme action, and collision theory is another possible way to explain it. So, what is collision theory? In order for a reaction to occur at an enzyme's active site, it has to successfully collide with its substrate. If the substrate doesn't collide with the enzyme's active site, no reaction will take place. This diagram shows a successful collision, which would result in a reaction. The higher the number of successful collisions, the higher the enzyme activity. So, what factors might affect the number of collisions between enzymes and their substrates? As temperature increases, enzymes and their substrates move around and collide more often. At cold temperatures, we would observe that the molecules are moving slowly. As the temperature increases, these molecules move more quickly. We can say that the molecules have more kinetic energy, and this means that they collide more often. For your exam, it's important that you know why an increasing temperature can increase the rate of a reaction controlled by enzymes. Now we've explored the effect of temperature, what would happen if you increased the concentration of the enzymes that you have? The higher the concentration of an enzyme, the more chances there are for successful collisions. If there are few enzymes, like in this top beaker, there's a low chance of collisions. However, if the enzyme concentration is high, like it is in this beaker, there will be more frequent collisions, and therefore more successful collisions.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy to follow videos and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Biology course. See you there!